it's cold. I know this shit about to be hella cold. Oh my god. So y'all hoes need to follow me on TikTok because me and my cousin be making TikToks, but when me, Dree, and my cousin start making TikToks, it's over for you bitches, period. So y'all might as well go ahead and add me on that now at Nikki Neal. I'm the only one with my cap. Yeah, everybody does this part differently. Me, I don't spend because I have a side part, I'm not gonna spend too much time cutting like my hairline. Or when me and my friends went out last week and that video never came, so that video is going, the clips are actually going to be inserted in here so y'all can see what we was up to. So I think the first place we went was like, 2 Chainz, I want to say 2 Chainz concert. Yeah, we went to the 2 Chainz concert, and honestly, at the last minute, y'all know how I am. I'd be like, I don't want to go, we would do this. But then I went and we was turned the fuck up. Look at that. Yes, girl. We was turned. I got this wig from Allove hair, and it was originally, it was 24 inches, and I actually cut it. So I cut the wig, and I think I cut it to maybe 20 inches, but it's really like a sharp cut at the bottom, and I like that. I like that everybody's doing this whole natural thing now. Like it's like cool, but you know, for the girls that are, you know, mixed or black, we kind of have humidity problems in this bitch, so wigs it is still, you know. So yeah, and the wig definitely comes with clips on the inside of the wig. Also, shout out to Allove Hair for sponsoring this video. Y'all is lit. And put it on wig. You know, everybody got that put it on wig where like you finna go do something, it's like, damn, I need something to put on. So you put on that wig. Yeah, same. Decide to make it look like it's a frontal. And the density is 150, I wanna say. Girl, look at this. I'm gonna straighten it, y'all, I promise. I just have to comb through it first. We did brunch, y'all. I found my new brunch spot, and that's just that on that. Won't be going anywhere else. I love it there. I'll tell y'all what it is later, or if you catch me on my Instagram story, you'll probably see it. Anyways, so yes, okay, I'm gonna go back in with the Got to Be Glued, the freeze blast spray. I don't know what I put on my hands. I don't know what the fuck is going on. And I'm actually just going to spray on the inside of the hairline right here, so it'll stay. When I do this, this makes my wig stay way longer. Recording that whole time, wow. Is really give it a good ass flat iron, and that's it. So like I said, shout out to Allove Hair for sponsoring this video. They're fire. And yeah, all the description for the hair and the deets on the hair is going to be in the description box below if y'all need it. All the links are going to be down below. And I've been feeling straight hair lately. I know I put my little 5-minute clips in there or whatever.